Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to customize font size setting in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you can see guys, font size this is too big guys. You want to customize yourself, so you can customize it. In this video guys, I will show you how to customize it. So let's see how to customize guys. Open your phone setting. Then guys, click on this person station setting guys. Then guys, click on font and display size. Guys, scroll it. Then guys, you can customize from here guys. You can see guys, largest size, medium size, default size, and guys, small size. So guys, which size guys you are comfortable guys, you can customize yourself like small, default, medium, large. So we will click on this default and guys apply. So you can see the display default default size in our Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize font size in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet the next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.